how to earn money on Sellfy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Sellfy, how to make money with Sellfy by selling your merchandise or digital products. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will go to sellfy.com and you will get on this platform right here. Sellfy allows you to sell your own merchandise or digital products. It's an e-commerce platform. It helps you make money by building your own print on demand. So to get started with Sellfy, what you have to do is you will click on start free trial and you will be able to get a free trial on Sellfy, or you can also choose a plan. Then you will enter your first name, email address, set up a password and click on create my store. After that, you have to set up your store, and I have selected a category, then like what you're gonna call your store, how would you like to use Sellfy, what products you're gonna sell, if it's going to be a physical or a digital product, and then your audience. Click on start trial and Sellfy will allow you to create your own store and you will be able to make money. After the initial sign up or sign in to your Sellfy, this is the main dashboard and this is where you will get. Now we'll get started and I'll show you how to design products for free on Sellfy and make money. So on our basic dashboard, we get our own analytics and an overview of our store. If there is any, customization needed, you will be able to see it right here. Then we have the product section here. In products, I will be able to find different product types. We can make money on Sellfy by selling digital products, print on demand, subscriptions, physical product and freebie. So today I will be creating a digital product. So I'm just going to select this niche and here I will be able to create a new product. Now keep in mind that we have different ways to make money on Sellfy and each product can have its own price and it depends on your product as well. Then we have customer option right here where I will be able to see all of my different customers, orders. Then we have marketing and apps. So let's go ahead and create a new product now. You will just upload the product right here. Once the product is added, it will be shown right here. So my product is a digital file. That is why it's shown here. Moving on, we have product name. So my product is actually a wall art. So I'm just going to select wall art. You can see this is going to be the link and I can customize my link as well. Then we have to enter the product description right here. Then we have product category. In product category, I can actually divide my products into categories. And to create a new category, you just click right here and click on add new. So let's just call it wall art. Then we can also use a slug for this and click on save. Moving on, we have product review. So this is where I can add an image or a video of my product. Now, if it's a physical product, you can upload the image right here. Then you can upload media, you can upload any kind of file. Then we have our price setting. So this is where I will be making money. So I can add the price right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the currency first. So we have all of the currencies available. I'm going to go with USD. And then we just have to enter our amount. So my product is actually $39. So that's what I'm going to be adding here. Moving on, we have different options. If it's an unlimited stock, you can just select this option. If it's going to be limited, then you can select the number of products you have in your stock. So for me, it's going to be unlimited. And then we can add our product variant. This is really important when you're creating a, maybe you're selling a t-shirt, a hoodie. So you can create different variants for your sizes and colors. Once you have added the details on Sellfy about your product, you will click on save product and your product will be saved and you will get your own URL. So now I can just copy this URL and paste it wherever I want. And I can also share it on Facebook and Twitter to get more audience. So this is how you create a product on Sellfy. And creating a product is similar for all of these different options. For subscriptions, it's going to be a little different, but you can just click on add new product and it will take you to the product page. And again, you can see it's similar for all of the different, products we have here. Then we have the customer option. In customers, what I can do is I can import or export my customer list. And this is where I will be able to see all of them. And I can also check my subscribers if I am selling subscription. This is where I will find my orders. And you can see All of the orders will be shown here, and I can see unfulfilled or exported ones. We can also work on marketing when it comes to Sellfy, because when we are making money and we want to promote our business as well. So we can create email marketing campaigns, coupons and discounts, cart abandonment, and upsellings as well. So I don't have to go to any other platform for email marketing or, to create discounts and coupons. Even with discounts and coupons, we can let our customers enjoy a discount and they will be able to, get more audience to our products. Similarly, we have different options. We can also add different integrations to customize our Sellfy experience. You can add your Google Analytics, Facebook Pixels, Twitter ads, Zapier, Facebook chat, Patreon, and more. So for more settings, you can just go to account, and when it comes to adding a payment method, because we will be getting paid, you can just simply go to settings, and then you can go to payments and set up a payment method as well. You can also visit your store, so I'm just going to open it up. With Sellfy, I am getting my own store. So I can actually create my own business from scratch using Sellfy and sell products to make money. This is my store right here, and I can customize it if I want by just going to this customize option. And you can see this is our own Sellfy editor. It will allow me to create different pages. We have product page, we have categories, checkouts, custom pages that I can create. Then we have general settings. So we can create a professional store with Sellfy. You can, use the theme, you can edit the headers, the text right here, and it will allow you to create your own business online. Once your store is done, you can just click on publish and your store will be published. For now, I'm just going to go back. So this is our main dashboard again. And if I go to analytics, I will be able to show you that how Sellfy keeps track of all of the visits and different products that you have actually sold. You can see we have visits, purchases, conversion percentage, and revenue. So this is where you will see how much money you are making. Of course, if you're selling a product for $10 and if you sell 10 products, you will make $100. So it's that easy. You just create your own store, list your products, and then you can start making money with Sellfy. When it comes to creating products, we can also create print on demand. So you can just click on print on demand and it will take you to your different categories where I can now design product for men, women, kids, hats, bags, home and living, phone cases, and others. So if I want to design a t-shirt, I will just go to men's clothing, and then there are different variety of products available to choose from. Let's go with a simple t-shirt. And now I can add any design right here. I can add graphics and add text as well. Then we can select our printing technique, if it's going to be DTG or embroidery, and then we can select our product color. So I'm going to add my product in different colors. There you go. And we can also add a graphic or a text. You can also customize the price right here. Click on continue and it will take you to the product page. And again, now I have different products that I created within Sellfy. So if you were wondering that if you do not have a product, so you can just create one within Sellfy and then sell it for maybe hundreds of dollars. So I can actually list this product. You can see 25 is actually the basic cost. So I'm going to actually, of course, add more price and sell it for $50, which is going to be like the half of what I am getting it for. So the cost is actually $15 and I can sell it for maybe $45. So I will be making profit right here with each of the different products. And again, just click on save product and it will be added to your products right here. And you can sell it on Sellfy to make money. So you can make money on Sellfy by selling digital products, physical products, and print on demand. It's an easy to use platform and allows you to use all of the different features and tools that you need in order to run a successful business online. This brings us to the end. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.